About this pen to write some joke. When me done write about the skinny girl it did reach. Boy, yeah. So me still have whole heap of ink in. But when we write about fat girls, all of me ink gone. Fat girls! And when me say fat, me not talk about P-H-A-T. Me talk about F-A.A.T. Feeding at all times fat. I can bet right now, all the fat girls sitting down in front of their computer are just something like... I'm not sure what Dr. Kevin I got talk about. The only thing fat girls never get tired of doing is eating. Back away slowly from the food. We don't need nobody that's putting on no more weight. I think fat girls are great. And as a man, if you have a fat girl, you don't need a bed in your house. You can sleep on top of her. I mean, she's nice, she's squishy, she's warm, she's big. Where do you think queen and king size come from? It's just another way of saying a bed for fat people. Man, try a fat girl. Especially during the winter season, you can use them clothes as like cover. You know what I mean? Some big, thick clothes they have. They will keep you warm. When you're around a fat girl, you can never be hungry. Fat girls are always cooking. They have a GPS system to locate two things: food and something you can use to prepare food. Where there is a stove, there is a fat girl. The party is not over until the fat girl sing or cook some food for everybody to eat. Just like skinny girls, fat girls are great for survival. If you get caught at sea in a vessel that is sinking and you have a fat girl with you, just tell her to take a breath and hold it. Life raft. And if you can put her up on her belly and make she fat, speedboat, jumbo speedboat, a fat yacht that you got. You know what they say, oh, skinny girls travel in toothpicks? Well, fat girls travel in a solar system. Or is it? I think it's a whale. A whale of fat girls. No, it's a container of fat girls. Got the whole of them shaped like barrel. Fat girls, don't make nobody tell you about your shape bad. Tell them say you're spherically globular. It sounds sexy. I tried taking a fat girl on a date once, and the guy that seated you in the restaurant was like, no, hey, no. So I was like, what's the problem? Him said, sir, this is not the WAF. What that's supposed to mean? I'm assuming since you have your ship with you, you're looking for the WAF. This is not the WAF, sir. This is a restaurant. Me say, you dirty son of a... You nah go talk to me elephant. I mean, me ship. You nah go talk to me blimp. You're disrespectful. Now who said fat girls can't be models? Fat girls can be models too if they're modeling sheet sets. The thing I like about fat girls, whenever you take them out to eat, they will not waste your money. They are going to eat everything. They might eat for them food, they might eat your food, they might eat the food of the people them next to you, they might eat the tablecloth, table, everything. I love that about fat girls, them now make your money waste. But in the same breath, me can say, them cost money too. Cause I be make you have to make suit for fat girl. Big up all that fat girl, and when you take a measurement, you know say a rope. And when you make clothes for them, yeah, let me get 3,000 yard of cloth in the place. No, it's not for your movie theater drape, man. It's for my girlfriend, you know, she kinda big. And another reason it costs to take care of a fat girl. Fat girls don't get regular showers. You have to take them to the car wash. Take them to the car wash, yeah. Getting a fat girl home is not hard because of their spherically globular shape. You just roll them home. It's like Daniel from the Bible. What if people never know about the first fat girl? You know? The first fat girl in our Bible did name that stone boulder. And Daniel did take out that stone from a deed. And that stone so big, see? Daniel couldn't drive that stone home in a Benz donkey car. So he did have to push her home. And so comes you get the song, Daniel push that stone boulder down a Babylon. Well, if people feel say it's a big stone, no, it's a person, that stone boulder, so she did name. But see, a fat girl post a picture on Facebook the other day and say, oh, there's a beautiful girl inside him. And I was like, are you sure it's just a beautiful girl? Because it looked like at least about 7 other beautiful girls inside her. And all of that. You can know a fat girl's fart different from everybody else's fart. Whenever a fat girl fart, you get hungry instantly. Because her fart them smell like the dining room of a all-inclusive hotel. Beware of the fat girls who eat the whole heap of fry. Because when them fat, believe me, you are going to develop high cholesterol. Fat girls, there are certain things you should stay away from. One, digital scale. The other day I see a fat girl try to step on a digital scale and the scale ball out. Not a bumbo. Also, stay away from suits that are one color. The other day I see a group of fat girls, see? One in a full blue, one in a full red, one in a full green, one in a full purple, one in a full orange. Look like a jumbo bag of Skittles or what? Them look like the Fruit of the Loom logo. I love fat girls, that's my fucking problem. Where's the jobbers on Lincoln Tree that? So please don't make me just say, you know, weigh you down. I mean, it's not like you don't already have enough of that. Wait, fat fat girls. You know you're fat when you lose weight and you're still overweight. No more fat girl jokes. I'm getting tired telling these fat girls jokes. All I want to say is just, yo, fat girls be comfortable in your skin, see? But don't be comfortable to the point where you feel like, say, yo, being overweight is good. It's not healthy for you. Take care of your health. Fat men, fat women, fat people in general, if you can, do like an unbalanced scale and lose some weight. Thanks to all of the people who keep supporting Kevin Too Crazy once again. You know what you need for that? You just like the video, share the video, you know, non-stop. And big up on yourself, isn't it? Fat people, big up on the large up. You don't know me. Think you believe it and live to achieve it. God on the road.
Yes, man.